car is an ambassador. It's an ambassador for the future of Volvo design, the future of our technology to come. It will communicate now to the public, to the world, about the things that are happening at Volvo and the things that we will see very soon with the products on the road.
This new concept car stands for the journey this corporation went through since, say, 2008, 2009. Then we took the decision to develop our own new scalable platform, and we decided to focus on 4-cylinder turbo technology. And that package, what you will see here today, combined with the new design language, gives a signal to the outside world what we will stand for in the future.